Good morning students. Welcome to KG class. Myself Smita Nair from Modern Academy School. Today we will learn English alphabets. Do you know English alphabets? English alphabet has 26 letters. Each and every letter has different sound. Today we will learn A to Z. Okay? Let's start. First letter is A. What is this? A. A says A. Apple. What is this? Apple. Do you like apple? What's the color of an apple? Tell me. Red color. The color of an apple is red. Very good. Next letter is B. B says B. Ball. B says ball. Next letter is C. C says K. Cat. Meow. Next letter is D. D says drum. D for dog also. Okay? Do you like dog? Very good. Next letter is E. E says elephant. Look, what is this? Elephant. Very good. What's the color of an elephant? Tell me. Black color. Very good. Next letter is F. F says fish. Look here. Beautiful fish. Very good. Next letter is G. G says grapes. Do you like grapes? Do you eat grapes? What's the taste of grapes? Tell me. Sour and sweet also. Okay. Next letter is H. H says H says house. And hat also. Hat. Next, I says E. E says ice cream. Okay, ice cream. Yummy ice cream. Very good. So sweet. Next, J says jag. हम पानी पीते हैं जग में? हाँ, पानी भरते हैं ना? Very good. Next letter is K. K says kite. Very good. Next letter is L. L says lamb. And lion also. What is this? Lion. Lion is the king of jungle. Good. Very good. Next letter is M. M says mango. Yummy, tasty mango. Do you like mango? Very good. I also like mango. Next letter is N. N says nest. What is this? Nest. Nest. Okay. Next letter is O. O says orange. What is this? Orange. Next letter is P. P says peacock. Parrot also. What is this? Parrot. What's the color of a parrot? Green color. Very good. Next letter is Q. Q for queen. And Q says queen. Quail also. Okay, Q. Next letter is R. R for rose. R says rose. Next, and rabbit also. R says rabbit. बहुत प्यारा rabbit है ना? Very good. Next letter is S. S says sun. And swan also. Swan. Next T. T says tiger. And turnip also. What is this turnip? Next letter is U. U says umbrella. What is this? Umbrella. Beautiful umbrella. Do you have umbrella? Yeah, very good. Next letter is V. V says van. And violin also. Do you know how to play violin? Very good, very good. Okay. Next letter is W. W for watch. And W says watch. Watch. Next letter is X. X says Xmas tree. Xmas tree. And X loved one also. Okay. X. What is this? X. Next letter is Y. Y for yard. Y says yard. And next letter is Z. Last letter is Z. Z says zebra. What's the color of zebra? White and black. Do you like zebra? Very good. We have learned A to Z. At home you have to revise